Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to tell about my course, recorded course about ChatGPT and Google Gemini for beginners. Here you can find the list of things available within this course. Okay, it is available at rajamanikam.com website. It is a Gumroad based website. Okay, you can buy this course from any country easily, and based on the country it will be providing discount also. And if you want further discount, you can use the discount code QPT, that coupon code, while doing checkout. If you use the discount code QPT, you can get huge discount. Okay, tell about this offer to your friends also. I added a lot of things, like a lot of videos and PDF files you will be getting. It's a very low price. Right now I'm just starting with this price, and I may increase this price later. Okay, you can make use of this opportunity. And apart from that, you can earn money from selling this course. It's a Gumroad based website, right? So you can join as a Gumroad affiliate, and you can earn 50% commission. But right now, if you join immediately, I'm giving 75% discount, commission. I already provided 75% commission for people, and if you want to make use of that opportunity, you can join immediately, and you can just start selling this and earn money. Okay, actually this course is in high demand. Okay, you all should be knowing the power of ChatGPT and Google Gemini. A lot of people are interested to learn about that, and when I listed this same course at Udemy, like more than 1,000 people joined within 2-3 days when I run free offer. Okay, and if you too want free course or any of my ebooks or any software for free, you can just share this video on any social media site, and you can just contact me for getting the free offer. Okay, but that free offer is for limited time only. Okay, so anyway, at any time you can use the discount code QPT for getting a huge discount. Okay, and if you want to join as affiliate, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay, this course is having a lot of information, including prompt engineering and ChatGPT related demo, and best practices, and even some information about how to create a simple web app using Google Gemini API. Okay, so it's like mostly for beginners, and even it will be having a lot of information also. Okay, but the primary focus is beginners, people who are hesitating to start using Gemini and ChatGPT. This ebook and videos will be encouraging them to start using it. It's a great offer. Already I set a low price and running offer also, and affiliates can make use of this opportunity. Okay, thanks. If you have any questions, you can ask me.